This was a free trade that I gave out yesterday to my public, and everybody was eating. So before we start, as usual guys, I do document my entries. I screenshot my positions before and show you after, just for proof guys. Transparency, that's the key. So let me just take you back. So if you can zoom right here guys, this is Aussie against the Canadian dollar on an hour time frame taken on January 4th. Try to zoom around this area. And as usual, today is Friday. This is the 5th, and we have NFP, of course. Friday, take it on 4th, right there. Okay, so I'll take you through what I just look, guys. Oh, this euro. Just a minute. Where are you? Aussie. Oh, here. Aussie card against the Canadian dollar, January 4th, right? So try to zoom, feel free, gang. So as usual, let me take you through how this trade was analyzed. Basically, this pair was not easy guys to understand. Before I saw price giving me a sell position, it was having so many manipulation, but that's it. If you understand what the market says and you react to that, then you should be good to go, because I usually say that Forex gives out patterns. It gives out blueprint. It's just a matter of you understanding and seeing those blueprints that the market is giving. So this is the 3 months basically, and if you can just see guys, you won't understand what this market wants to do, because this market is kind of choppy. So until you try to analyze, maybe bring in your trend line, okay, because trend lines are much powerful. According to me, they give me clear direction what the market is doing. So basically, if you can see now, when we go back to the monthly guys, this is a downtrend. Yes, that's a downtrend, and we understand this was an impulse correction. So basically the market was just going up to give us a correction. So this upward movement, that's just a correction. So we were trading inside a correction channel. So let's go back to that's the weekly. So if you go back to the weekly, you understand that now the market, of course, was giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, but then the market started consolidating around this level right here. So like I say, this is just a bigger version of a correction or a continuation pattern. That's just a bearish flag because impulse correction, so we should be going down, but only after the market gives us a reversal structure, or if it hits this last high, right? That's a trend line giving us maybe the third touch. If you can see, we have a first touch right here. This is the second touch, so probably the market might give us the third touch. That is when we should consider swinging. So this was just a quick scalp. Remember, we are trading inside a correction. That's it. So let's go to the daily. Now on to the daily guys, we need to concentrate on this current price. So we now have to trade the demand and supply zone type of trading. All right, so if that's the case guys, we understand that this is the demand, right here. So let me just write that for you guys to understand. That's the demand, and as usual, at the top here we have our supply. All right, so if that's the case guys, when I do call in for demand and supply type of strategies, that is if I see that the market is moving sideways. All right, if that's the case, then now I have to go back and understand this type of trade. That type of trend. All right, so basically when we go to the lower time frame, remember, yes, we are moving sideways, but on the lower time frame you will be seeing and spotting trends. Okay, so we understand that the price went up. Yes, the market went up, then it kind of broke. So if that's the case, then we now have to look for sell position. So if we want to look for sell position, once again, let's go to the 1 hour. So we're just breaking it down. We understand that the market needs to drop. So before this drop right here, before this drop, basically actually I was supposed to hold my trades, that is all the way to this level, but you have to respect the market, you have to respect the trend. Okay, so what I see right now is that the trend is almost coming to an end before the market maybe pulls back and maybe continues. You never know. Or maybe the market might be giving us this as a bullish flag, and this current type of pattern might be just a left shoulder. The market gives us a head, right shoulder, then continue going back to the up, right? So let me take you to the 15. You just have to be careful, because I don't like scalping. Market might be crazy. I like market that have potentials of up to 200, 300 pips. On that you can catch over 100 pips. But the market that has a potential of 50 pips, 100 pip, it won't give you exactly the 50 pips. If it has a potential of 50 pips, it might give you 20 or 30 pips. 100 pip, it might give you 58. So it's never guaranteed. But when you target 200, 300, that is if the market has that potential, you might catch 150, 120, whichever the case. Okay, so this is it. So moving on to 15, guys, you need to open your eyes. You just need to understand that this is a reversal. That's a head and shoulder. So yeah, if that's the case, then now we just have to bring in our trend line. That's just easy. You see, we are in a downtrend. Since we have a head and shoulder is just a sign that we should be going down, right? So let me just show you something, guys. We had this level right here. Okay, we had that level. Price played around that level for some time, and now it took that level out. So when it took that level, gang, we had this head and shoulder that I just talked about. That was just a confirmation that this level is almost being taken out. So yes, we have head and shoulder. We just need to wait for now sell position. So we saw that the market did this thing, dropped. Now when I went back and opened my chart, I saw this kind of a play. So this just gave me a confirmation that that's just a continuation or a correction. So we had an impulse correction. After correction, we expect that impulse. So 1 minute. Going back to the 1 minute, I need to see my levels, baby, before I execute. How we do it. So right here, when we go back to the 1 minute, guys, it's tiny. 1 minute, you might not get this. So another confluence. This is left shoulder right here. This is the head. Guess what? The market gave me right shoulder in another continuation pattern. So what? Just had to identify a support, and if it breaks, I execute. Let me just take you back to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Yes, you see the candle. I did execute, baby. Stop loss above. Then I told my gang, quick scalp, risk only 1%, plus we have news today, of course, and as usual, 1%. You only risk 1%, and you see, that's it. This is when the market was giving out, playing out nice, and you can see I was in profit. This was my funded account. I was up $100. That's the second account, $105, and my personal account I was up $31. It's amazing, And as the market continues playing, gang, I was up 186 funded first account, 172 funded second account. In my personal account, I was up $51. So that's how the market is. Beautiful. So after sometimes I gave them a heads up, adjust your levels right here. Then I'm seeing something, close your position. So everybody was eating. So it's that easy. It's that simple, gang. It's that simple. It was a quick scalp though. So the reason why I told them that they should take out or close the position is this. I'm anticipating the market probably to do this, before maybe continuing to the downside. But at the same time, the market has not given us this level or that touch. So usually I've come to realize that if the market doesn't give us this touch and tries to give a pattern inside the downtrend or an uptrend, this might be the case. The market might give you this type of play, so you just have to watch out, guys. You just have to watch out. So it's an easy thing. It's an easy thing. So I hope you guys learned something, and maybe consider checking out my Telegram channel, link in the description. And bless you guys. Adios, mi amigos. Peace.